Good morning, students. Welcome to the next session of your computer class. Today's date, 22nd of September 2020. In the previous session, we started with chapter number 6, Introduction to LibreOffice Writer. Just for the revision purpose, LibreOffice Writer is a text editor program or application, text editor program or application in Ubuntu's operating system. We studied about the different components of the topic, or we started with how to start Office Writer. Then we studied about the different components of the program: title bar, menu bar, the rulers, scroll button. These all were the parts, the document area, these all were the different parts of the program, or you can say the components of the program. Then we studied about how we can create a new document, how we can name them. Okay, once we have created it, we studied about how we can save the document which we have created or on which we have right now worked. Then we studied about how to close the document. These were the topics which we have covered in our previous session, and I hope that you had followed it properly. In case of any doubts, we can put up on the WhatsApp group and the respective teacher will resolve that. These were we have covered in our previous classes. Now, in today's session, what we will be learning is the document which we have saved in our computer storage, how we can open the saved document. That is, opening a saved document. The document which you have saved in the computer storage, how we can open that. Once we have opened that document, how we can edit it. Edit means to change, modify the content. Okay, let's try to understand with an example. Let's say this is a page on which I have, it's a notebook page on which I have written, let's say, the name of two fruits, apple and mango, and then I closed the book, I kept it in my bag, and let's say it is saved right now. The next day when I went to the class, I just searched that notebook which I have previously put it in my bag. I found that notebook, I opened that notebook and the same page, and let's say I rubbed out the second fruit name, and in place of that I wrote another fruit. So the process which I have right done is, in language of computer, is known as editing. That means we are making some changes in already or pre-saved document. The document which we have saved, we are making changes, we are altering, or we can say we are modifying the content of a saved document. The process in computer language is known as editing. So The next topic in today's session will be how we can edit a document, how we can make a changes in those documents. This will be the topic. Okay, now once we have saved the document, we have edited it, the document which you have saved in the computer is a soft copy. There are two words in computer. One is a hard copy and another is a soft copy. So just for the clarification, soft copy is stored in computer memory it's not being saved or it's being not printed on a paper, rather it's a file, or you can say it's a document which is saved in the computer, in computer's memory, and you can recall or access whenever you need. Okay, if the computer or the system is along with you, you can access the content from the memory of the computer at any time. But if the same soft copy, if the same document which is saved in the computer is being printed, on a paper by using a printer, when the content which is in the form of a soft copy is being printed over a paper, it becomes hard copy. Okay, so the next topic will be how you can print a document. For this, your computer, your system should have a working printer attached to the system. No worry, during our practicals or when we are describing you the topic, if the printer is not being attached, then also no issue. We would show you up to the last step of the printing, okay, and we would tell you how printer is being selected and how the print will come out. And after that, we would be learning how to close, or you can say how you can exit Office Libre. This will make the chapter complete for today, and we would be providing you the exercise questions also. Solved exercise questions after the video will be shared on the WhatsApp group. I hope the topic which I have mentioned on the board is being understood by you. In case of any doubt, you can put up the query on the WhatsApp group at any time. We would love to resolve them. Kindly put up the queries on the respective time, and we would resolve them as soon as possible. So let's continue with the topics which we have to cover today. The upcoming videos will be based on these topics. I hope the previous topics which we have covered, there is no doubt in that, and would request kindly follow the upcoming videos and the exercise part. For today, thank you. Good day.